Welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel where we help you make smarter purchasing decisions. Today, we have an epic showdown between two powerful motherboards. On the left, we have the MSI Pro B650M-A WiFi, and on the right, we have the ASUS TUF Gaming B650-PLUS WiFi socket AM5 Ryzen 7000 ATX motherboard. Get ready for some intense motherboard action. Let's kick things off with everyone's favorite category, price. The MSI Pro B650M-A WiFi comes in at a cool $199, while the ASUS TUF Gaming B650-PLUS WiFi hits the market at $219. Now, I don't know about you, but I like to save some cash, so the MSI board takes the lead in this department. Moving on to processor support, the MSI Pro B650M-A WiFi proudly supports the AMD Ryzen 7000 series desktop processors, giving you the power to tackle any task. But wait, the ASUS TUF Gaming B650-PLUS WiFi also supports the same processors. It's a tie in this category, folks. Both boards are ready to unleash the Ryzen beast. Let's talk memory. The MSI Pro B650M-A WiFi boasts support for DDR5 memory, providing you with lightning-fast performance. On the other hand, the ASUS TUF Gaming B650-PLUS WiFi offers no DDR5 love. Sorry, ASUS fans, but the MSI board takes the crown in the memory department. Now let's dive into power and performance. The MSI Pro B650M-A WiFi comes equipped with Core Boost technology, ensuring better performance and stability. It's like having a personal trainer for your motherboard. But wait, the ASUS TUF Gaming B650-PLUS WiFi fights back with its enhanced power solution and comprehensive cooling features. It's a tough call, folks, but I'll give this one to the ASUS board for its impressive power delivery. Time to explore connectivity and features. The ASUS TUF Gaming B650-PLUS WiFi takes the lead with its next-gen connectivity, including M.2 PCIe 5.0 and USB 3.2 General 2x2 Type-C, plus it's got Wi-Fi 6 and TUF LANguard for all you online gaming enthusiasts. But hold on, the MSI Pro B650M-A WiFi fights back with its premium thermal solution and memory boost technology. It's a showdown of features, but I have to give this one to the ASUS board for its impressive connectivity options. Last but not least, let's talk aesthetics. The MSI Pro B650M-A WiFi keeps it clean and sleek, while the ASUS TUF Gaming B650-PLUS WiFi brings the bling with its Aura Sync RGB effects. It's a battle between minimalism and RGB extravaganza. This one is purely subjective, folks. You decide which style suits your taste. Based on online reviews, the MSI Pro B650M-A WiFi is praised for its solid performance and user-friendly BIOS, making it a budget-friendly option for gamers and power users. On the other hand, the ASUS TUF Gaming B650-PLUS WiFi is highly recommended for its luxury features, ease of installation, and user-friendliness. Both motherboards have received positive feedback from customers. And that wraps up our epic showdown between the MSI Pro B650M-A WiFi and the ASUS TUF Gaming B650-PLUS WiFi socket AM5 Ryzen 7000 ATX motherboard. Both boards have their strengths and weaknesses, so it ultimately comes down to your specific needs and preferences. Don't forget to check the product links in the description below to get more information on these motherboards. Thanks for watching Buy Smart, and remember, make smart choices. If you enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe, and leave a comment about which motherboard you prefer and why.